शम्मा हुई रोशन तो जलने लगे परवाने, शम्मा हुई रोशन तो जलने लगे परवाने। आगाज़ बिस्मिल्लाह से अंजाम खुदा जाने, नहमदु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अम्मा बाद, फाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी किताबिहिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद, इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी ख़लक़, ख़लक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़, इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम, अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम, अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। व क़ाल अन्नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, उतलुबुल इल्म मिनल महद इलल लहद, औ कमा क़ाल अलैहि सलातु वस्सलाम। Honorable Chief Guest, my dear and respectful teacher, and my dear friend student like flower, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, my subject of speech, and which given me a chance as notion of knowledge. There are uncountable graces of Allah and His service, in which they one is knowledge, which He give to men human. Dear President, the virtue is given on earth by virtue of knowledge. Allah ordered to angel to bow down to Adam alayhi salam. It is clear from this that knowledge base of greatness for human. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said him about himself at innama bu'istu mu'allima. Of course, translate me as a teacher. And the publication of knowledge can be judged from effort of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When they some captive of Badr, not able the red for freedom, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them that teach to 10 children of Muslim reading and writing so that they will be free. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam emphasized the women for knowledge. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim." Knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim, men and women. Dear President, it is most seriously from seek to knowledge Holy Quran, called regularly with the basic commandment to worldly, historical and scientific knowledge. Allah Almighty says our Holy Quran, the must fight from Allah or ulama. It is also compulsory that for all the knowledge to other. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ballighu anni walau aya." Forward from me, if one course also this. And this last address of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Hujjatul Wida, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Falyablugh ash-shahidul ghalib." Mean who are President, they should forward to absent. Dear President, for seeking knowledge, there is no boundaries and beds. Everyone can seek knowledge. Of course, ye are old or young, mature or not mature. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, seeking knowledge is from life, from grave. Allah may give us knowledge and may able to frustrate knowledge in our life and publish him in the speech. In the end of my speech, मेरे हाथ में कलम है, मेरे ज़हन में उजाला, मेरे हाथ में कलम है, मेरे ज़हन में उजाला। मुझे क्या दबा सकेगा कोई जुल्म तो कफ़ाला। मुझे फ़िक्र अमन आलम तुझे अपनी ज़ात का गम, मुझे फ़िक्र अमन आलम तुझे अपनी ज़ात का गम। मैं तुलू हो रहा हूँ, तुम ग़रूब होने वाला। वस्सलाम।